Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to do practical number 2. Type a paragraph, application, story, essay, etc. on wordpad. When you switch on the computer, you will see your computer desktop. Move your cursor on the bottom left corner. Here you will see a start button. Click on it. Move your pointer to wordpad in the start menu and click on it. A huge window of wordpad will be appear on your computer screen. Now start typing a paragraph. While typing, consider all the uses of keys that you have learnt in the last lecture. Use shift key with alphabetical keys for capital letters. Press enter key to move your cursor to the next line. Here you can see I am writing an essay on the topic my teacher. If you done any mistake, use backspace button to remove it. Press shift key with another key to insert any capital letter, as I insert M for Miss and S for Sophia here. Use caps lock key for inserting upper characters, as I wrote MA M8. Here, I am using cursor control keys for moving my cursor upward and going to add extra text. Hold Control key while pressing A for selecting the whole text. Again press Control key with C for copying it. Okay, let's just erase it by pressing backspace button to show you how can we paste it again. Now press Control plus V for pasting that text again. It pastes the text like a magic. Here I am showing you by pressing page up and page down key, you can view your page or full assignment. Press Alt plus F4 button when you will have done your paragraph or application. This command will close your active window. I hope you have enjoyed it. Now practice it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.